Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss about course and development prerequisite. That means before starting this course, what you should know. You should know the basic PHP, basic object-oriented PHP fundamentals, basic HTML and CSS, and also basic Bootstrap. I suggest you to pick tutorials based on this concept first to gain a better understanding of Laravel. For the course prerequisite, I will create this project with PHP. So you will need one local host server. For the local host server, you can use XAMPP, WAMP, Vertigo, MAM, whatever you like. But I will be used XAMPP for all over the project. And also for the development references, you will need one text editor or IDE like Sublime Text Editor, Visual Studio Code, NetBeans, PHP Storm, Atoms, etc. All this editor is totally free software. All that you have to do, you have to download this and install it in your system. I will be using Sublime Text Editor for this project. That's all you will need for starting this course. If you are ready, then let's get started.